Hi students, welcome to eGanit Gyan. Today I am going to discuss about practical geometry class 8 topic. This mainly how we can construct a quadrilateral. Okay, we are going to discuss only one method. If four sides and one diagonal is given, then how we can construct a quadrilateral we are going to discuss today. Okay. If we continue, we have exercise 4.1 here. Exercise 4.1. They have given here construct the following quadrilateral ABCD. They are asking to construct quadrilateral ABCD. They have given the measurements AB, BC, CD, AD, and AC. The first and foremost step is that we should construct a rough sketch ABCD. Whatever the rough sketch might be, I am taking here like this. Sorry. I will take like this ABCD. AB 4.5, BC 5.5, CD 4, AD 6, and AC finally 7 centimeters. These are the measurements. I am thinking that the diagram will come like this. Okay, let us see how it will come now. Okay. This is the rough sketch what I am having. With the help of this rough sketch, I will try to draw the main diagram. So, I will start with the diagonal first of all. Let me take scale here. So, I will start with the diagonal, and my diagonal length is 7 centimeters. I will draw one line segment, 7 centimeters line segment. Okay. Then I'll name it as AB. I'll name it as first left, this side it is A, this side it is C. Now I have here AD length 6 centimeters. I will use my compass to draw 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters I will take on the compass. I'll fix this one. I'll draw one arc here. An arc with the radius of 6 centimeters. After that, C to D, the distance is 4 centimeters. With the help of the same thing, I can take 4 centimeters. I will unlock it. 4 centimeters I wanted to fix here. 4 centimeters. Now I can draw here 4 centimeters arc. Yes. One thing I should understand. I will draw here one 4 centimeter arc. Actually, one more thing I need to do here. That is, I need to extend that particular arc up to this 7 centimeters from here. Just extension of the arc. 7 centimeter arc. So we got our new vertex D. We got our vertex D here. Okay, let us join A to D and C to D with the help of the line segment. So I joined here the line segments. Now I need to find out the vertex C. That I will take compass again. I know that A to B distance is 4.5. Now in the compass I will take 4.5 centimeters. and I will lock it. Let me change the color here. Yes. Now here I will draw one line, one arc from A to B with the 4.5 centimeters as the radius. Okay. Now I will unlock from C as the center. C as the center. I need to find another line segment with the length of 5.5 centimeters. Let me take 5.5 centimeters here again. Lock it. Now I need to fill this. I will intersect the previous arc so that I can get here easily location D. I will get location D very easily. Then I will join this, location B. I will join this with the help of my line segment. This is location B, and here we can say it is 5.5 centimeters, and this is 4.5 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. That is how we will construct a quadrilateral by the given measurements if one diagonal and 4 sides are given. Okay. And coming to the part of steps, what we did first of all, our first step was we constructed our diagonal AC with 5 centimeters radius. After that, as A as center, we draw one arc with 6 centimeters radius that we wrote here. Then C as center, we intersected the previous arc at D, at the location D. Then we joined AD and CD. For the ABC triangle also we followed the same procedure. Then we got ABCD in our quadrilateral. That's how we will construct a quadrilateral. And here we have question number 2. JU length is 3.5, UM length is 4 centimeters, and MP length is 5 centimeters, PJ length is 4.5 centimeters, PU length is 6.5 centimeters. First of all, we need to make a rough sketch here. After making the rough sketch, we can find out the diagram. It's like this. Let us start with the diagonal. The length of the diagonal JM. The length of the diagonal MP they gave. MP they gave, not JM. The length of the diagonal is MP 5 centimeters. Yes, 5 centimeters. Let me clear here one more thing. 5 centimeters. So after construction of the rough sketch, the diagonal is PU 6.5 centimeters. Okay, let us start with the diagonal. We have the diagonal here with the 6.5 centimeters. Let us draw here 6.5 centimeters line segment first of all, and let us name it as UP. So I can write here U, this one as P, this line segment N. Now with the help of compass I will draw on the 3.5 arc, UJ arc. So with the help of compass I can draw 3.5. Let me fix this first of all. 3.5. 3.5 centimeters arc I need to draw here. So I will draw here 3.5 centimeters arc. Okay. Then after that, P as the center, I will draw one arc 4.5 centimeters arc. Here I will fix 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters. Okay, let me draw here. So we got here vertex J. So after getting vertex J, this is vertex J. Let us join J with U and J with a P. Okay. Then we can construct vertex M the same way. Take first of all compass with U as the center. Take 4 centimeters on the compass. Yes, 4 centimeters on the compass. Fix it. And draw one arc here. U as the center, draw one 4 centimeters arc here. After that, P as the center, take 5 centimeters radius and draw an arc which intersects M, which intersects the previous arc at M. So I will take here 5 centimeters in the compass. Then P as the center, I will intersect the previous arc. So here I can intersect this one so that it will be very easy. So we got here vertex M. Let us join U with M and M with P. So it is very clear that we got here vertex M. Okay, now we got the quadrilateral JUMP.